how to change your name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and there you simply have to tap on settings and privacy. Now here under settings and privacy, simply tap on settings. And after that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, simply scroll down and there you simply have to tap on see more in account center. And here, once you are inside the account center, you just have to tap on profiles and personal details. And now here in this section, simply select your account, and after that on the next page, what you have to do is simply tap on your name option. Now here in this section, you can just tap on your first name and simply change it, and you can even change your middle name and surname as well. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on review changes, and there you can choose how your name appears. And with that, you can just enter your Facebook password and tap save changes, and after that your Facebook name will be updated immediately. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.